Hello, my name is Sayana. Today I want to tell you about a very important job, an English teacher. Why is this job special? Why do we want to be teachers? Let's find out.
Hello,
Hi, I'm Amira.
I want to ask one question. How can teachers do English lesson more interesting?
I love English because it's an international language. People from different countries speak this language. So I want to help students learn English so they can travel, study and make new friends. And being an English teacher is my dream. Of course, teaching is not always easy. Some students think English is difficult, but a good teacher knows how to help. We can use games, songs and fun activities to make learning interesting.
Морал, типа, қолыңды көтер, типа.
Hello, my name is Nargiza. My childhood dream has always been to become an English teacher. When I was in school, we had a pedagogical class I was in it. Thanks to this, I often taught lessons for younger students, even while still in school. I also organized excursions. Since the 8th or 9th grades, I already knew that I will become a teacher.
Hello, what's your name? What qualities teacher must have?
Hello, my name is Alina. In my opinion, the good teacher must be kind, patient and friendly. And I think that teaching is very important because teachers help students learn new things. And if you tell about the English teachers, English is not just a subject, it helps people in life. And with English students have better jobs and a bright future.
I love teaching because I like working with students. It's amazing to see them learn new words, speak better, and more confident. When students I understand, it makes me happy.
To sum up, I want to say that being an English teacher is a great job. It's not only about the grammar and words, it's about helping students learn, grow, and believe in themselves. We are proud to be future teachers.